Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and today on Ubante Garage we are going to be doing a lot of new Civic stuff, and we are actually going to be installing my very first FC1 full rear diffuser, and then after that we're going to be doing my very first Varis FK8 CTR rear diffuser install. So if you guys are here, you guys are probably here because I put that on the title of the video, and yeah, we're going to be installing a Varis CTR rear diffuser. My buddy Justin's going to be coming through and we're going to knock that out. Let's go check this guy out real quick. We knocked this out yesterday, but he had to go to work and it was a crunch and I just wasn't able to finish it. We got this done in about 8 hours and this is the finished product. All we got to do is mount this up. If you guys are interested in something like this, I will be making a similar design. This is Wes's design, but as you guys know, I do not remake designs. I go off of base templates and design everyone something new. Unless you guys went with my bulk buy CTR deal. I did and still have 5 available of that. I'm making 10 of the same design. And if you guys want my FK8 rear diffuser that looks like this, super dope, let me know. And you guys can hop on that deal as well. I'm gonna go hop to when Wes gets here and we're gonna go throw this thing onto his beautiful SI. And what do you know? Look who just got here. Way too dumped to go over my fast speed bumps, so it's all good. Oh, my dude, looking good, boy. About to look better though. Look how huge this thing is. That thing is enormous. I don't know if he's gonna clear the driveway. He should on the way out though. Coming. All right, good. He got really close. Right. What up, bro? Welcome to day 2. About to get down.
What's up?
Mr. West, back in town. Oh, appreciate it, dude. Thank you so much.
It looks sick all in one piece.
It's pretty wild, but super dope design though. Yo. All right, we're gonna throw this onto this. Let's get it. We're set. We got the diffuser on the ground. We got the Fat Kid fan blowing at where I'll be laying down. Gotta prop up the carpet so I'm not laying on the hot cement. We already got the hangers hanging, so all I'm gonna do is secure them. The exhaust is gonna be burning hot, so don't want to burn myself. And we're good. So the center only has 4 bolts, and I normally do the ones in the back first and then the ones in the front after. Oh, why did I put them back in? Oh, it's so big. It's massive. That's it. Oh, you're stuck. It's the final product. Let me zoom in real quick. Damn. Booty real fat on this thing. Check it out, check it. Alright guys, that's it for Wes's car. He's about to dip out and then we're gonna go knock out a splitter real quick and then Justin will be here. I'll see you when Justin gets here. Alright, Wes is dipping. Let's see how close this gets. Bruh. Oh my, bro. Yeah, it looks good. It definitely looks good, but that stuff is low. You got like that close, bro.
Is that low?
Yeah, it's that low.
I thought it was gonna scrape.
You did a scrape though. It looks insane. Later, bro. Jesus. Oh, we got home just in time for Justin to pull up. Damn. Look at this. Bro. Justin going harder than everybody. Damn! Hey, reverse park, alright? First time seeing this wing though. I ain't ever seen this wing. Bro. I think that's a Varis wing. Good. Damn. Alright. So, Justin's here. I've never seen this before. I gotta touch it. Wow, it's so nice. Oh my goodness. And it's definitely a Varis wing. Bro. Dude. Justin balling out over here. I just seen these on his Instagram. Bro. It's like red, white, and blue tips. Are these 19s?
19s, bro.
Damn.
Stock height, bro.
You have to flex with the 19s. Nobody runs 19s on these.
The Varis car.
Runs 19s?
Yeah.
Dude. What else you got planned?
I got the kit. Front bumper, side skirt, hood.
You about to murder the end of the year once this stuff comes in. Dude. Alright. So we're going to be doing the Varis rear diffuser. It's already in the back, right? Wow, it feels so light, dude. How heavy is the wing? Super light? Holy. Yo, this thing is enormous. So basically we're just drilling these holes, right?
Yeah.
So is there... What the heck? Wait. Ah, what the... I go. Just got burnt because this guy's running stainless over here. All right, so we're gonna install these, and let's just get started.
Drill holes and then put it here and then nut. Easy, bro. Easy for you, bro.
Easy enough. So the first thing we need to do is remove the rear tires, and then we're gonna go fit up the rear diffuser, see what all needs to be trimmed. Justin said we may need to cut these U's out because the exhaust he has those hangers in the front side. So he did the center to clear the exhaust, but we may need to do a lot more. So we'll see after we remove the wheels and go from there. Let's go remove these wheels.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicide.
All right, wheels are off. Next, we're gonna go fit up the diffuser, see what we need to trim, and then get that sorted if we need to trim it, and then tighten up all the bolts on it and secure it.
Yeah. It's like that.
Don't burn my leg again. Damn. This is what it feels like to hold $2,000. I feel like, ooh, and it's so light. Look, oh, no! All right, don't worry, I'm putting it on the carpet, on the floor, so nothing happens. All right, so what we ran into is the Blitz exhaust actually hits the diffuser when we sit it up. So what we gotta do is we gotta trim this section down. I'm gonna just mark where we gotta trim, then we're gonna go trim it. It's crazy, it's literally like a big old basket in the back of this thing. We gotta trim that section to clear that hanger and the exhaust. So I'm thinking maybe an inch down and then straight across. All right, we're cutting the Varis, baby. It's like the best part about doing car mods is, for your friends at least, cutting up your friends' expensive stuff that they bought. I messed up, dude.
It's fine. We're gonna see it.
All right, that's it. We got this side done. We got this side done. And let's go try to throw it on the car. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that it goes right on, but I doubt that it will. But adjustments should be relatively easy if this guy doesn't suck. Should we, I wonder if we should mount the sides up first. I don't know either. I've never done this before.
Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go.
All right, guys, it's been a minute. and we ran into a lot of issues. But basically all I can say is when it comes to the exhaust hanger cutout section, I just cut out a big square. It'll get rid of all the issues that you probably have to run into. And also, when you guys use the template, it's not always a perfect mold like this one. So this was a little rough, I'm not gonna lie. I always heard Varis had super good fitment, but also if they're depending on you to use a template to get it on perfectly, it could be a human factor, and if they're not the ones doing it, that could be the issue here. I don't know if they test fit everything before they send it over onto like their Type R, so I don't know. Did the template, did it exactly the same, and it just didn't line up this time. So we had to gauge out some of the holes a little bit more and got it to sit very nicely. But if you guys can't line up the holes, there are 5 here and then 4 really solid mounts onto the chassis. So yeah, if you guys can't get this, get as much as you can and then get those. But that's it. We'll go check this thing out in a little bit once we throw the wheels back on and we sit. Let's check it. Man, that's what I just said, but yeah, let's check it out.
I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
All right, guys, hopefully you guys like that cinematic. Justin is about to leave, but this is the end product and it looks so good. I hope you guys like it too. I think it's worth it. Definitely worth it. It's light as hell. It's kind of a pain to install, but all I'd really say as for some tips on installing it, unlike I did, if I could redo it again, the only things I would do differently is I would definitely do little holes, right? Like I did originally. I'd do a 3/16, run a 3/16 bolt through it as I was test fitting, and that's just to verify if the template was perfect. And if you did it perfect, then it would go into the holes on the diffuser. But if it doesn't, then you could at least go through and make another small hole, test it, and then you would be good once the bolt actually went into the hole. So other than going through it with a 3/16, then a 1/4, and then saying it's too small and jumping the gun and then jumping it up to a 5/16, and then realizing that the holes were off and having to readjust it, I would definitely go and do it like that because it would be a lot easier to mock it up. So hopefully my issues with this rear diffuser helped you guys do yours easier. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe, help a brother out. We're headed to 5K. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. This is it. Tell me what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace.